How to pay mortgage M&T Bank. First, go to M&T website and log into your account. Next, find your mortgage loan in the list of accounts. Select Pay or View Account to open the mortgage loan portal. To make automatic payments, select Enroll Autopay from the pop-up message. Your regular monthly payment is populated for you. You also have the option to pay additional principal. Next, add your payment method, enter a nickname, and the routing and account number. Pick your payment date, any day from the 1st to the 15th of the month. Review and accept the terms and conditions for your payments and select Authorized Enrollment. You're done. You can update or cancel your automatic payment in the Payment tab. One-time payments are just as easy. Choose Make a Payment. Complete your payment details, pick your payment method, choose a payment date, and select Submit Payment. That's it. Thanks for watching.